now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. This is a different video, obviously. You can tell by kind of the setting. It's just something I kind of figured I would try out. I've been getting a little bored of kind of everything that I've been doing on YouTube. It's been a minute. So one of the things I always wanted to do, I wanted to start a golf channel, but I didn't know if I really wanted to make that much golf content. So I thought I could maybe just try to share some of the stuff that I would like to share on my main channel, Mark Hicks. Kind of just been shoe driven, but I've done different things on this channel. Like I've filmed some basketball mixtape type videos, and so I just think it can be just kind of anything that I'm feeling at the moment. Today we have a club unboxing. So yeah, at the time I knew this golf season I wanted to get new clubs. Just some backstory on people that may not know. I played a year of college golf at Alabama A&M. So golf is like one of the things I love. That, shoes, cars, it's just kind of one of the things that I enjoy doing the most, and I enjoy everything about it. So I knew this year I wanted to get a new set of clubs, but going into Club Champion and going to get iron fitted, I really was focused on, one, the PXGs, which I know is crazy to say because they're so expensive, but they were doing that sale for like healthcare workers and stuff, but they extended it. So I was like, I'm gonna get PXGs. I looked at TaylorMade, obviously, and I looked at new Titleist, and I ended up going with a brand that many of you may not even know. I barely knew it. Honma, one of the leaders in Japan for golf equipment. Yeah, so I did all the testing. The old clubs that I've been playing the Titleist AP1. So I've been playing the Titleist AP1, the 714s. I've always kept the stock Titleist grip on there, and then for the shaft, it was an XP True Temper 95 grams, really light, and I crushed these things. So in my fitting, we hit 6 iron, and with this, I was hitting 6 iron around 215. My numbers have always been crazy. Like, I hit this thing very far, and I mean, it's supposed to be a little bit more help in the irons. I've never been too pure ball striker, but when I do, I hit it very hard. So like my smash factor with the 6 iron was like 1.52. So yeah, like according to TrackMan, the PGA Tour average smash factor with a 6 iron is 1.38. My smash factor with a 6 iron 1.52. Like, I hit the ball really hard. But also the problem with these clubs is I had trouble getting it up in the air. So it actually turned out that I was de-lofting the club. So pretty much at contact, the 6 iron was turning into a 4 iron. And I think that was a lot of my problems. So we did all the testing, and we are now getting a new set. They're very different from obviously my Titleist. Let me put these back. Very different from the Titleist, but I think in the long run they will help my game a lot more. I don't really want to get out all the clubs right here because I don't really have a place to lay them down. I'll do that later. So after all the fitting and all the club testing, I hit maybe 7 different brands, 7 different style of irons, and we landed on the Honma TR20Ps. This is just, it's a butter club. Like, everything about this club felt different. Like, so hitting the PXGs, the tour editions and the player editions, it felt good, but it wasn't anything that kind of blew me away like I kind of was expecting it to for the high price tag. I hit the TaylorMade's. TaylorMade's felt good and it felt more forgiving, but when I hit it pure, there was something there that I just didn't like. Mizuno was decent, nothing special. I even tried some pings that were decent. But back to everything, it just kept coming back to this Honma golf club for me. I don't know what it was about it. So it did get expensive. Like, Honma is an expensive brand, but it got expensive for me in the shafts. I had to go into an Oban 115 gram shaft. Yeah, so Oban CT 115 shafts, and I got the irons pured by that sticker you can see, and then lambkin grips. But yeah, no, I love how this club looked at a dress. I love the look of the number on it, and obviously it's a beautiful club. Justin Rose, I think, had a lot to do with the design of this club, and that's why I think it's funny making the video right now, because obviously he's playing amazing in the tournament going on this weekend. He was like leading it, and that was when he switched and is not playing Honma anymore. Like, he went back to his TaylorMade's. But it's not an indictment on how, like, the club's performance. Some clubs just don't fit some types of players, and I mean, in his second win with Honma, he won. So I mean, you can't really base it on that. But anyway, I wouldn't let that sway me into not picking it. Like, oh no, Justin Rose just dumped you guys, I'm not gonna pick the clubs that I hit the best. So yeah, it's just one of those things. Also, a neat thing about this club, I absolutely love this. It's a freaking 10. Instead of putting a P, Japan is just like, nah, bro. Pull out the 10. Like, what? So yeah, now I have a 10 iron. It's pretty nice. I really like it. I kind of just wanted to give you guys an unboxing video, a different unboxing video than I've ever done on the channel. I've done a lot of unboxings if you go through the channel, but never golf clubs. Yeah, so now my bag is all over the place. We got Titleist Vokeys, which are super dirty right now. I may try to sell the AP1s. I don't know. I'll probably just put them up on eBay, like a bid or something. I have an old Titleist Hybrid. I have a freaking TaylorMade Rocket Balls Stage 2 5-wood. And then I also have a TaylorMade M3 driver. So it's all, the bag is all over the place. Nothing's cohesive. But you know, it's just how you hit them. It's just how you hit them. And I'm going to beat balls pretty much for the rest of the day, even though it's 90 degrees outside. Yeah, so pray for me. Pray for me, pray for me. And I'm gonna lay the clubs out and give you guys a nice look at them. And yeah, like the video if you like golf videos. I don't know if you guys want to see more of it. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if this is something that you would be more interested in watching, so we can kind of blend, because I know there's some people like me that like blending different things. So like, we obviously like shoes, some people like basketball, some people like golf, and they want to see that all on one space. I would love to make that a possibility on this channel. But yeah, let me know. Let me know. Also, I just really wanted to show my phone posits today. Yeah.